Aloe vera for pimples. The aloe vera gel can work wonders on your skin by reducing pimples, by clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. This aloe vera face pack clears excess oil, dead skin cells and lightens pimple marks. Ingredients required: 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, ½ teaspoon of lemon juice, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Instructions: take 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, add ½ teaspoon of lemon juice, and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder in it. Mix it well and apply this paste on your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes and wash off with water. Regular application of this face pack will reduce the appearance of the dark spots, pimples, scars and marks.